1992 Constitution of Ghana. Pay attention, you will learn something. Let's consider the chapters. It's a total of 26 what? 26 chapters. Chapter 1 talks about the constitution itself, the constitution. Chapter 2 talks about the territories of Ghana, territories of Ghana. Chapter 3 talks about citizenship. 4 talks about the laws of Ghana. Chapter 5 talks about fundamental human rights, fundamental human rights. Chapter 6 talks about directive principles of state policy. Chapter 7 talks about representation of the people. Chapter 8 talks about the executive. Chapter 9 talks about the Council of State. Chapter 10 talks about the legislature. Chapter 11 talks about the judiciary. Chapter 12 talks about freedom and independence of the media. Independence of the media. Chapter 13 talks about finance. Chapter 14 talks about public services. Public what? Services. That's chapter 14 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana. Chapter 15 talks about the police service. Chapter 16 talks about the prison service. The prison service. Chapter 17 talks about the armed forces of Ghana. All right. Chapter 18 is Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice. All right. Chapter 19 talks about National Commission for Civic Education. Chapter 20, Decentralization and Local Government. Chapter 21 talks about lands and natural resources. Chapter 22 talks about chieftaincy. Chapter 23 talks about commissions of inquiry. 24 talks about code of conduct for public officers. Chapter 25 talks about amendment of the Constitution. Chapter 26 talks about miscellaneous. All right, these are the titles on the 26 chapters of 1992 Constitution of Ghana. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. If you have learned anything from this video, share it and follow for more.